Yo guys, what's going on? Rimby2 here, and I just got this Rubik's Pyramid for Christmas. I don't even know if it's Rubik's like Pyramex or something like that. I don't really care. But I'm going to teach y'all how to solve this Pyramex thing. Alright? So, if you've ever done a 3x3, which I really recommend learning how to do before this, because it does help, and 3x3 is always just like a classic thing, good thing to know. So, for this, what you're going to do is you want to start with one side, because if you've ever done any sort of Rubik's Cube or anything like that, I'm pretty sure it's always getting one side first. So, you might be thinking to yourself, how do you know which side goes where? Because if you've ever done a Rubik's Cube before, the centerpiece is always where that side is. But here, there is no centerpiece, just a little hole. How would you know? Alright? Well, how do you know? And to know, you look at one of the corners, and I don't really care which one I start with. Some people always like the same color, but for this one, we're just going to look at a random one. And this is the top one, alright? And what colors are there? There's red. That's green. Might be a little bright, but that's green. And that's pink, okay? And this Pyramex consists of 4 colors, and I know it. It's green, red, and pink, and blue, okay? There's some blue pieces on here. So whichever color is not on this corner, it means that it's the flat part opposite to it. So it'll be the bottom of that. Okay, so you just flip it over, and you know that this side is going to be blue. Okay, and for step 1 of that is to get the corners, which is very simple. It's just twisting. You don't need any skill for this. So just twist them. That's it. Alright? And then what you need to do is match them up with the piece below it, which is very simple as well. It's just twisting it. So keep twisting. There's a blue piece right there. And then just twist the top back. Perfectly easy. Do it for this side. Blue. Twist the top back. And this one's already set up. Lucky. So there you have it. It looks like kind of like a radioactive sign is how I kind of remember it. And then if you notice, if I take other sides, you'll notice that sometimes all 3 of them will be in order, or just 2 of them. It's always the bottom 2 though. And to get it back, to get them all, you just twist it until the colors correspond with each other. And then sometimes the top corner might not work. Just twist it. There you go. So that's how you have all the centers. Okay? So let's go back to our blue side. And then you want to get these, I call them edge pieces, but don't care what you really call them. So you want to find, since we'll call this the top, and these like the sides, you want to find a blue piece on the side. And here's one. This is a blue piece, and on the other side is a red piece. So you need to find the red side. Okay? And this is already on the red side. Got lucky again, because you can tell all the corners are red and all my centerpieces are red. So what you want to do is you want to have this blue piece facing you, and I'll do it facing you guys, because yeah, but you also want to have the blue on top, of course, and then you're going to move it up into that slot, but you're going to think how you're going to get it back. So if you want to put these blue pieces back, you got to move it down, and it doesn't work. So what you're going to do is you're going to move it up into the slot, you're going to take the other side, push it back, push it up, push the opposite side up, and push that back. Very simple. And there's that. It's in. Perfect. Okay? And it's on the right side. Sorry, the little glare, but it's on the right side. Okay? So, I'm going to keep on doing that for every other side. I'm not going to show it just for time's sake. So I'm just going to do it myself. Just do that. Okay. That's another. Oh. Okay. And there's your full blue side. Okay? Or full whatever side you have. Okay? And then you're going to look again, and you're going to see that just about, if you've done it right, the bottom row of every one should be good, and same with these 2 pieces. Sorry if there's glare, just light. Let me see if I can get rid of that. Okay, a little better, but you're going to see the bottom row You're gonna see the bottom row. Yeah, okay. Sorry. Alright. So then what you're gonna have to do is all these pieces are gonna be a little mixed up. Okay? So I'm actually gonna turn this light back on. Alright. There we go. Alright. So you're gonna see it's kind of a weird thing in this. I thought it was kind of kind of weird. But here is a pink and green piece. Okay? Red and pink and red and green. Now, if you notice, all these pieces can spin. They just needed one turn either way to get into the right spot. In this case, it would be counterclockwise. Okay, and for counterclockwise, what you're going to do is R up, U left, R down, U left, R up, U left, and R down. Okay? And sometimes that will solve it, other times it'll give you this, which is kind of like a parody. But see how this one is pink right there, and it's on the green side, and this is green on the pink side. Okay, and same for the red and pink. So they're in the right spot, but just flipped. And to flip them, what you're gonna do, I'm just gonna face it towards me. But what you're gonna do, or actually I'll face it towards you, is left down, and go left down, right down, left up, right up, the top right, right up, U left, and right down. And there you go. That should solve it. But other times you're going to have where you need to spin them clockwise, which is, I don't really know how to do many things on YouTube. I don't know how to do the writing stuff. So if you got like a paper and pencil, write this down, just like pause the video or whatever. It is for clockwise, it's left up, top right, left down, top right, left up, top right, left down. So it's just kind of switching off. It's the same thing as the other one, just right and left are mixed. And same with the directions. But that's it. Hopefully this helped. I know it was a little difficult, like difficulty set, because I got a little things messed up, but whatever. Thanks for watching.